Today on Camp Griddlemore, we are taking a look at 6 of my favorite Blackstone accessories that have helped me take my griddle game to the next level. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. It is literally a perfect summer day here at Camp Griddlemore, and Sean the camera guy and I are hanging out a little bit before making a big camping dinner, and we want to show you some Blackstone accessories that have helped me elevate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner game, and they have also helped me with my food prep and storage. Let's get started with this 5-piece griddle camping kit because we don't want to use metal spatulas on the brand new Blackstone camping griddles that have the titanium ceramic cooktop. Metal spatulas will scratch the surface. These will not. They're designed for it. Now, if you need help finding any of these accessories that I talk about today, just ask me in the comments below and I'll hook you up with a link. Perhaps one of my absolute favorite Blackstone accessories are these adventure-ready silicone egg and omelet rings. We have used these egg rings to make pork roll, egg and cheese sandwiches. We've used them to make perfectly shaped pancakes, and we've used the omelet rings to make some really, really awesome omelets. And because they're made of silicone, they can go right onto the griddle top. For some reason, my kids love pancakes better when they come out the perfect size every time. Next up is this Blackstone Adventure Ready Collapsible Basting Dome. I absolutely love anything that is collapsible for camping and RV travel or tent camping because it hardly takes up any room at all. So I have used this to steam veggies and to melt cheese on burgers. Works perfectly, and it can go right on the griddle top, whether you're using a steel griddle top or the titanium ceramic. I also love this Blackstone Adventure Ready griddle press for a couple different reasons. First of all, because it is collapsible, which is great when you have limited storage space in your outdoor camp kitchen like we do right now when we're tent camping. I also love it because it is made to go with the new Blackstone camping griddles that have that titanium ceramic cooktop. This thing is perfect for Reubens, it is absolutely perfect for bacon, and it's also great for making paninis.
And I love it because it's like a fidget toy.
And Sean, almost like tongs. Yeah. No, tongs are way more satisfying. One of my absolute favorite things about Blackstone is that they make a lot of things in different sizes, like a smaller version and a larger version. So at the bottom of this stack, there's a large cutting board that I use at home, but then on top, you'll see 2 that I love to bring camping that are literally perfect size for a small outdoor kitchen. So this one is one of my favorites, and then this one is also one of my favorites, both smaller than the large one down there. Sean brutalized this one when he was chopping bacon a few episodes ago. He was getting out some anger, I think, on the cutting board. But I love that Blackstone makes a larger and a smaller version of so many of their products. I also get so much use out of this Blackstone Griddle Tool Caddy. It actually feels like I have a caddy with me when I'm cooking. It's got room for everything that I need. It's got space for my spatulas. It's got a paper towel holder. I can put in my collapsible basting dome here, my griddle spray, my scissors, some knives that I use. There's room for everything in here that I use on a camping trip, and it is so portable and so super, super easy to move around. So absolutely love the Griddle Tool Caddy. Hey Sean, did you know that every Christmas, or almost every Christmas as far as I know, Blackstone does some really cool limited edition gear. And I have loved some of this stuff over the years, and you can't even buy it anymore. So I've got a Blackstone Swiss Army knife that I love and bring with me on every camping trip. And then I have this legendary Blackstone toolbox. Can't buy any of these anymore. Both great pieces of gear. So there's a little bonus for you on our episode about 6 Blackstone cooking accessories. I know this might sound crazy to a lot of you, but for me, the gear is just as fun and just as exciting as the food. And that's actually how I got into the whole griddle game, is because I just wanted to test all this stuff out, kind of learn to cook after the fact. So love the gear, love all 6 of these accessories that I showed you today. So thank you so much for joining us for another episode of Camp Griddlemore. Hope to see all of you at the campground.